Welcome to another Bald Traveler gear review. We're continuing on with the review of the Wandrd Route Pack, which is the camera sling pack that came with the Wandrd Fenra, and I believe will be offered separately on the Wandrd website at some point in the future. Again, this is in the Gobi tan color and not the black color. We are discussing how I've got this bag set up, my thoughts about it, and a review of the bag itself. I will include in the bag, I'll include right up here, right up there, a link to the original review of the Ferweh bag and the initial review of the Route Pack. Since that review, I've reached out to Wandrd support about how to actually do the shoulder bag, and I will go over how they recommend doing it. There was some back and forth over about 5 days trying to make sure that I had all the pieces and that everything was good to go. So we'll discuss how they recommend doing it and then how I'm actually going to do it going forward, because the way that they did it does not quite match up with the way that I want to use the bag. So I'll go over my use case and why I'm doing it the way that I am. So to start with, if you've got the Route Pack, you will actually get the pack itself, and then you will get a series of straps. You'll get 2 straps that are slightly shorter than the accessory straps, and then you'll also get this shoulder strap here. And this is what confused me, was how does this connect into the bag? And when I show you the bag, you'll actually see that I've actually got the accessory strap on there for the way that I'm going to use the bag. But the way these work is that this longer strap connects onto the bag here, where I have this accessory strap in this accessory piece there. And then it's a quick buckle in and out, and then you can hook this onto your Ferweh bag or your Provoke bag. And then if you want to take the Route Pack off, you just unbuckle it. If you want to go with it, then it's just a simple slap on. They also include 2 additional loops here where you can actually put the accessory strap and then connect it lower down onto the Ferweh bag or the Provoke bag, and that way it kind of holds tight to your chest while you're walking, so it's not bouncing around. Otherwise, the bottom's going to be open and it could bounce around. I'll probably use that if I take this backpacking, but for the most part, I'll just leave it without it. So what confused me, and I'll go into that right now, what confused me was how does the shoulder strap hook into the bag? I was expecting to receive another set of these small short shackles so that I could hook into the bag and have these there. The way you're supposed to do it, and the way that they recommend it, is you would take the whole thing off your bag and then unhook it and then put this on and then latch it back on, and then you can use this as a shoulder strap and then adjust it here as you need it to put it where you want it to fall. A couple problems I have with this right away. If you want to, like me, want to leave this short section on your backpack, then you've got to take this off, put the shoulder strap on. You just can't grab the shoulder strap out of a pocket or somewhere and hook everything up and go. You've actually got to take something off your bag. To me, especially a non-starter, once I get stuff set up, I want to leave it alone. The other issue that I have is, so I was like, fine, I'll fix it by using an accessory strap, this part out of an accessory strap, but the buckles are different, so they won't go in. It's a different type of actual buckle between the two, so you just can't do one or the other. So what I ended up doing was buying an extra set of accessory straps, and then which I have over here, and I'm only using the short parts of them. So what I'll end up doing is I've got the original set on my bag locked kind of there permanently, and I will take the shoulder strap, loop it through, and again, in order to do this, you just loop it through like this, and then lock it into place, and then do the same for the other side. Here. lock it into place. And then what I'll end up doing is just hooking this onto my bag like so. And then I have this as a shoulder strap, and then when I'm not using it, this will go into my Ferweh bag or my Provoke bag, so this is totally separate and ready to go and quick and done. I really wish that I could order additional of these, but I've not found them. If I can, I will actually order these, and I'll update this video at that point in time. I'll put in the description a link to where you can order just this section if you want to be like me and not do it. I did think of just doing double, so I didn't have to buy an extra set, and hooking this in, but then I've got two of these floating around on the thing, or flipping it over, and to me that just doesn't work well. I like this solution better, even if I do have to buy an extra set of accessory straps, and I'm probably going to end up buying one more set just so that I've got a spare set to do whatever I want with. Now, talking about the bag itself, the upper zipper here is not waterproof, but it is covered by this lip, which is nice. So you can just unzip it like so, zip it back. You got nice big pull handles on the zippers. This bottom zipper is waterproof. It is a YKK zipper, and so this is water resistant and pretty much sealed. And the same with this pocket here. This is the accessory pocket. What I've put into this accessory pocket is I've got a case for my filters. I've got a charger for the camera batteries, and then I have spare camera batteries itself. So that's what I've got in this case right here, in this front pocket. And everything fits in there. There's way more room, and I can actually put more in there if I want to. Hooked to the actual strap itself, I've got this Nikon cleaning cloth in a little pouch that I like just to be able to clean my lens really quick, and it's on and attached to the actual bag where I keep my camera. Inside the bag itself, just unzipping it and opening it, and again, it would be like this as you're carrying it either on your shoulder or on your side, and at the end of this video I'll show you a picture of me actually wearing this as a shoulder on the side. But you just open it up, and it falls open like this, and then you can pull your camera out. So here's my camera. This is the largest lens I have, which is my 16mm Sigma for my Canon M50. And it's still small enough that I do not have to open up the extra part, but if you needed to, you could. And so you just, and then you can close it around, and it's a lot easier when it's on you and you're done. And then of course this can be adjustable to sit where you want it on the actual pack itself as you're going along. So, and this actually gives you more room than the shoulder straps, which is unfortunate because this is going to give way too much room, but it's the best solution I found. Again, to do that shoulder strap combination, you actually have to unhook the small ends and then hook this in to make the shoulder strap, which the provided ones don't, in my opinion, give you enough pieces. I wish they would give you one extra of the short pieces so that you could just have this stored in your bag somewhere. On one hand, I understand why they do that, but it does not really work with the way I want to run it. So to finish this up, I will stop the video here and then restart it once I have the pack together and I'm wearing it, and just do a quick model of me wearing the pack as a shoulder strap.